Hey guys, Richard Butler here with another review video, and this time it's a review for a piece of software called Listify. Now what Listify does is it allows you to give away WordPress plugins, and once they install the WordPress plugin, in order to activate it, they need to sign up for your mailing list. So this is a very good system because they've already installed it, they want to use it, and now all they have to do is give you their email address. So it's a real win-win situation. And people always want good quality WordPress plugins. So I'm just in my dashboard here. And the first thing I would do is I would go into configuration. And of course, I need to have an autoresponder in order to do this. If I don't have an autoresponder to do this, well, then I have a problem. But I have it covered on that as well. So let's say you have your autoresponder code from Aweber, GetResponse, or you're hosting it yourself. What you would do is you would paste your autoresponder code in here. You would click on Save. And then you just go to packages. And I go here, and for example, the standard packages that you get on the front end are affiliate coupons, banner ad creator, easy affiliate links, which is a real one that people love. And let's just take this. What I would do is I could either download the plugin and associated files or share this landing page. And you must use this once you've configured the system because this will be tied to your autoresponder. So I would go to that landing page. It comes up here with the actual URL of IM Income Labs, which is perfect. And it gives a little bit of information here. So overview and instructions, gives you all the features, installation, activate the plugin through the plugins menu. There's no call to action here to enter in their email address, etc. So you're actually taking that barrier away from them. They then click here to download the plugin. Once they install it, they will be asked to activate it via their email address. And you now have a list that you can build. So this piece of software is amazing if you want to build a list and start your list building activities because everybody needs this. Now, if you go for the upgrade, you get YouTube subscribe button, which will be like a little button that you can put on your WordPress site that will allow people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, a page speed insight, which is really good, IP to location country blocker, so you can block certain visitors. Speed up. This is really handy because everybody wants to speed up their WordPress website as well. And a YouTube speed load, which will actually just make YouTube videos load up that little bit quicker. And WordPress zero spam, which is another one, which obviously we always want to get rid of WordPress spam. So I think this is a great piece of software. I use it personally myself, and I think it's a great piece of software in order to get people to actually sign up for your mailing list. You've given them the bribe already, they've taken the time to install it, and they're more likely to sign up to your mailing list rather than having to sign up first before they've actually installed the plugin. Take a look at this. I think you're going to like it. As usual, if you're watching this on Facebook, leave a comment. If you're watching it on my website, you can also leave a comment. And if you're watching it on YouTube, make sure that you like my page, leave a comment, and no matter where you're watching it, make sure that you click on the link associated to get this.